Benefits of coconut oil for the face. Coconut oil is used in multiple ways to care for beauty, including the skin, but did you know the benefits of coconut oil for the face before bed? This is what we will present to you in this video. It is often recommended to use coconut oil for the face before bedtime. This is because skin cells repair themselves more at this time than during the day. Here are the most prominent benefits as follows. 1. Natural face moisturizer. One of the most prominent benefits of coconut oil is that it is used as a natural moisturizer, especially for the face, and can be used around sensitive areas, such as the area under the eyes and lips. The oil also contains fatty acids that help nourish and protect the skin, including linoleic acid, which helps strengthen the skin's protective layer and allow it to retain moisture. 2. Suitable for most skin types. Because of the many properties of coconut oil, it was found that it is suitable for most types of skin, such as dry or normal skin, as it deeply nourishes the skin, and can be easily absorbed by the skin and thus helps to better repair damaged skin. 3. Increase collagen production. Coconut oil helps to increase collagen production because it contains lauric acid, which helps maintain the freshness and elasticity of the skin. 4. Remove fine lines and wrinkles. Coconut oil has powerful properties that help prevent signs of aging by protecting the skin from damage caused by pollution or cosmetics. 5. Remove dark spots. One of the most prominent benefits of coconut oil for the face before bed is that it helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and lighten the skin tone, because it contains vitamin E and antioxidants that rejuvenate the skin. 6. Prevent infections. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which help relieve any irritation and sensitivity, making it beneficial for those with sensitive and irritated skin. 7. Makeup remover. Coconut oil can be used before bed to remove makeup, as it helps remove impurities and dirt from the skin, and will keep the face moistured throughout the night. How to use coconut oil for face before bed. After you know the benefits of coconut oil for the face before bedtime, here are the ways to use it. First method. Learn the most important steps. Put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil on your hands, then rub it in until it has a light and silky texture. Apply to your face and neck in gentle, wide motions, and to any area where you have dryness. Take the time to massage your face well to stimulate blood circulation and allow the oil to penetrate deeply into your skin. Use a soft tissue to remove the thick residue from the oil, and leave it on your skin overnight. The second method. Learn how to use. Put half a tablespoon of coconut oil, half a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 2 drops of tea tree oil with 2 drops of ylang-ylang oil. Apply the mixture to your face before bed, and leave it until the morning. Wash it with lukewarm water, and a natural face wash. If you like the video, please share and like, and we will be glad to hear your comments.